So what is up guys, welcome to HET Tech and Motivation YouTube channel and welcome to this new video. So guys, in today's video I'm going to be answering the question, and that is, should you invest 24,900 Indian rupees behind Airpods Pro? I have already made a video on Airpods Pro telling the India problem, and if you have not yet checked that video out, go ahead and check it out. And in today's video I'm going to be answering this fact, that should you really invest 25,000 Indian rupees behind these Airpods, and is this an upgrade? I'm going to be giving you my final conclusion. So today's video is going to be very interesting. So again, if you like to stay updated from Apple's ecosystem, then consider subscribing to our channel. And without any further ado, let's get started. Airpods Pro, like a pro product from Apple, and we all know that it got launched a couple of weeks ago, and now it is available in the whole global market, and in India it is still coming, but few pieces have been already imported. So that's a quite good thing that Airpods Pro will be commonly accessible after a couple of weeks in India, so you can go in any store and buy them. But the obvious answer, the question that rises to any individual, and that is, should we really invest so much great price behind just a pair of earbuds? First, let me tell you, for a normal common Indian, the budget which a common Indian has for purchasing a new smartphone is between 10,000 to 20,000 Indian rupees. And what Apple has done, they have introduced their earbuds for 25,000 Indian rupees, which is far more than what actually a person in India can afford. And not just that, their smartphone starts at 1 lakh rupees and the earbud starts at 25,000 Indian rupees. And let me tell you, this is an incredible pricing for an earbuds. Okay, take example of the Galaxy Bud, Microsoft Surface Buds, or any other buds by any other companies. Let me tell you, those are pretty affordable. Okay, they might be like 10,000 or 12,000 Indian rupees even, but still it's better than paying 25,000 Indian rupees. Few years ago Apple introduced the AirPods, the original ones, with the price tag of 12,000 Indian rupees, which was considered huge or humongous for any Indian consumer. But still, as it became very popular, celebrities started to use them, so people started to opt for them. But guys, now the scenario has entirely changed. Airpods Pro start at 25,000 Indian rupees, which is a staggering deal and a straggling pricing. And let me tell you, for a normal Indian person, even he owns an iPhone 10R, he will think twice or thrice to buy them, because already the price of the iPhone is so much that you really cannot go for AirPods. That's the obvious mind approach for any Apple kind of person. And let me tell you, now let me come to the conclusion, and I would suggest, if you have money to buy them and if you don't have any problem, you don't regret buying those, you can go for it. But for a normal consumer who has just somehow or the other managed to buy a new iPhone 11, let me tell you, this is a great price segment, and you can definitely skip this earbuds. You can go for the AirPods 2, second generation, which are now available for like 13 or 12,000 Indian rupees, and AirPods first generation is available for 10,000 Indian rupees. So you can go for those are still a quite great amount, earbuds. They might not have the noise cancellation, but still those are best added segment. And guys, if you really don't want to invest such a great amount, let me tell you, this normal earphone which comes in your box is more than sufficient. And if you really want to go for a wireless buds experience, you can opt for Xiaomi's buds. Okay, you might say like Xiaomi, like it will be very cheap, but again it offers a great value for the money. And again, there are great options available by Noise and Bose, and there are a lot of companies who are trying its level best efforts to give the best quality earphones in your budget, so you can go for them. I really see like the AirPods Pro are good. The product is well maintained and it's excellent in all aspects, but the thing which is not actually getting to my head is the price. I really don't see that the AirPods Pro justify the pricing. And guys, if you are planning to get them, I would suggest that go skip this generation, or just go for the second generation, or opt for any other company. Okay, like Apple might not be the perfect in the audio department, you can go for Bose, Sony, or any other company in this way. But guys, I would suggest, like, if you really want to get the AirPods, go for the second generation or first generation ones. I really don't see the AirPods Pro an upgrade, and the pricing is only the major factor, which is actually a barrier between a common person getting them. So guys, I really want to conclude in today's video that if you want to buy them, you can definitely go for them, but guys, I would suggest you to go for the AirPods first generation or the second generation. So guys, I hope that you have liked today's video, guys. In today's video, I just wanted to cover this fact that should you spend 25,000 Indian rupees behind this pair of AirPods, and hope so today's video has been a useful one. So guys, if you like today's video, don't forget to give this video a like and also leave a comment that what are your thoughts, and do you really see like the pricing of 25,000 Indian rupees a reasonable deal for AirPods? So hope so you have liked today's video, and I will meet you with another beautiful video. Until then, peace.